Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing a famous Indian sweet called Besan Ladoo. It is a traditional Indian sweet prepared during festival seasons with gram flour or chickpeas flour. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add 100 grams of coconut oil. Once the oil melts, add 300 grams of gram flour or chickpeas flour. Mix it well with the oil and break all the lumps while cooking it over low heat. Make sure it's cooked over low heat else the chickpeas flour will get burnt. You will start to smell the wonderful aroma of the cooked flour. After 10 to 12 minutes of cooking, look at the texture of the flour. It is getting solid like small blocks. Don't worry about breaking the lumps at this point, as it will start to turn into a fine paste. You can see clearly on the spatula how it's breaking down. Now if you see, the flour has become paste-like. Continue to stir it and fold till you get the semi-liquid paste. Look at that. A couple of more minutes over low heat and we should be done. And we are finally there and the chickpeas flour is at perfect texture. Switch off the heat at this point and transfer it to a fresh bowl. Fold and mix and wait for it to cool down. Let it cool down outside at room temperature and never place it in refrigerator. Once it's at room temperature, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of turmeric powder for color, it's entirely optional, finely chopped dry fruits, 300 grams of sugar, which I know seems a lot but it's just perfect for this recipe. I'm using this fine grained sugar and not the powdered one. The reason is because when you eat the laddu, you will get this coarseness in the laddu which reflects the quality of a good besan laddu. And yes, sugar can be replaced with jaggery or dates. Once the sugar is mixed, mix once again using your hands. Not too much, just a little. Now take a small quantity of batter and start to shape the laddus. Bind the laddu with your one hand and then shape between both your palms. It might look a little loose right now, but after a couple of hours, the laddu will set and hold its shape and will solidify further. Garnish it using pista or almond flakes, it's optional. Prepare the remaining laddus the same way and that's it, guys. So, if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I will see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.